Click the subscribe button. Click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is a rich and creamy chicken curry. Let's see how to make creamy pepper chicken. So let's marinate the chicken with some pepper and turmeric. Now heat a pan and add some coconut oil. Once it gets heated up, add in some crushed pepper. Add some onion, ginger, garlic and 1 red chili. And saute it for a couple of minutes until the onion becomes translucent. Now let's add the dry spices like turmeric, coriander powder, garam masala and pepper powder. Saute it till all the raw smell goes. Then add in 1 diced tomato and cook till the tomato gets mushy. Once all the tomatoes have cooked, add in the marinated chicken. Give it a good mix so that all the masalas get coated in each chicken pieces. Add some salt. Mix it again. You can add around 1/4 cup of water and cover it and cook the chicken on a low flame. Once the chicken is completely cooked, add the cashewnut paste and mix it again. Now you can see the gravy has become really thick. Now our chicken curry is ready. Now turn off the flame and sprinkle a little bit of garam masala and pepper powder on top, and it's ready to serve. This rich and creamy pepper chicken has the right blend of spice and all the masalas. It's just perfect to have with all type of rotis and rice. So definitely try it out. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.